If you are running a WordPress blog, by now you should know that spam comment is a problem in WordPress. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to protect your WordPress website from spam comments. I will specifically show you how to set up Akismet spam protection plugin to protect your WordPress website from spam comments. Akismet plugin is not only a plugin that you can use to protect your comments from spam. You can also use it to protect your contact forms on your WordPress website. So, if spam comments are a problem for you on your WordPress website, this video is for you. Keep watching.
Hello guys, this is Swadik here at Dikupages Web, where I do web tutorials just like this one. So if you are new here, consider subscribing. That said, let's jump into the video.
To set up Akismet spam protection plugin, first of all, we need to install the plugin. By default, when you install WordPress, you will have the Akismet spam protection plugin as part of some of the plugins that will be installed on your WordPress website. And usually users who don't really need it will go ahead and delete it. So if you don't already have the plugin installed, I'll show you how we can install it and also set it up. I am on the dashboard of my WordPress website, so all what I need to do is go over to plugins, then I click on add new, and you see that we have Akismet spam protection as part of the featured plugins right here. However, if you cannot see it here, just go to search plugins and search for Akismet spam protection. Since I can see it here, I'll just go ahead and click on install now. It is installed. I activate. After activating the plugin, it will bring you to this interface. So next thing I do is go ahead and click on set up your Akismet account, which will open in a new tab. From here, you will be required to choose your payment plan. All what you need to do is go ahead and choose the plan that is perfect for your WordPress website. For this tutorial, I'm going to go ahead and concentrate on the personal plan, which is free. So I click on get personal. Right here, you see that they still have an amount attached to it. Meanwhile, I don't want to pay. So all what I need to do is come over here. Then I go ahead and click on this draggable bar right here. As you can see, if I click on it, I can drag it towards the right to increase the price. So if I don't want to show any price, what I need to do is just click on it and I drag it to the far left side of the bar. And you see that the price is now 0. Awesome.
If you are finding value so far, please give this video a thumbs up. It does help me out so that the video will be suggested to more people on YouTube and also benefit more people. Alright, let's continue.
Next thing I need to do is go ahead and fill this form. So I start by entering my email. Next, I enter my name. So I can just use the name of the website on which I want to set up Akismet. Next, I enter the site URL. So I'll go back to my website and go ahead and copy it. Come back to Akismet, then paste it right in. Next thing I need to do is do some verifications by checking all these checkboxes. So I go ahead and click on all of them. The first thing on the verification is I don't have ads on my website. Next, I don't sell products or services on my site. And finally, I don't promote a business on my site. So if in any case you have any of these features on your WordPress website, meaning you don't have to select them. And by deselecting any of them, it will not be possible for you to continue with the setup. Let's assume that I use my website to sell products or services. In that case, I'm going to go ahead and deselect this. And you see that I need to confirm that I do not sell products on my website. So this means that all these 3 checkboxes are important for you to perform. I select all, then I click on continue with personal subscription. Now the subscription is successful and Akismet will be sending me a message onto the email address I use for the setup. So I'll quickly go ahead and check my inbox. I have a new message from Akismet. I'll just go ahead and click on it to open. And right here is the verification code. I just select it. Then I copy. Come back to Akismet. Then I go ahead and paste it in. Click on continue. And now it is completing the setup. Alright, the sign up is complete. The next thing I need to do is go over to my inbox again because an email will be sent to my email address containing my API key. So I go back to my inbox. I select inbox and I have it right here. I click on it to open and right here is my API key. I just highlight it. Then I copy it. Next thing I need to do from here is go back to my website. Then I go ahead and click on manual enter an API key. I right click in the field right here and paste. Then I go ahead and click on connect with API key. Alright, the setup is complete. As you can see here, Akismet is now protecting your site from spam. And right here are some few settings you may want to consider going through. The first one is comments, where you can show the number of approved comments beside each comment author. Next is strictness. Slightly discard the worst and most pervasive spam, so I never see it. You also have the option to choose always put spam in the spam folder for review. And finally, we have privacy, where you can display a privacy note under your comment form. And the second option is do not display privacy notice. So performing all these settings will depend upon your website's requirements. For now, I leave everything as they are. So that's it on how to set up Akismet spam protection plugin on WordPress. Another way you can stop spam comments on your WordPress website is by removing the website URL field from your comment form. So if you want to learn how to remove the website URL field from your comment form, make sure you stick around to watch the video on your screen right now.
Alright guys, I hope you found value in today's video. If you did, kindly hit the like button, subscribe if you have not yet subscribed, and also hit the notification bell so that each time I post a new video on this channel, you will be the first to know. Keep watching and I will see you in the next one.